Today we're going to be doing a different type of episode. If you're wondering why I'm wearing a hat, it's because, this thing kind of hurts my hair. And I'm taking this lens apart. It's only like $40, but it just kind of stopped working. Like you can hear like grinding. One sec. Here's some ASMR for you. Yeah, that's not very good to hear. So I have this GoPro, old knockoff GoPro here, and we're gonna disassemble this lens with these tools. So here we go. Yeah, let's just... Whoa. So this must have turned this. Oh, there's like lead oil or whatever that is. Yeah, that's mainly what's inside a $40 lens. So, hopefully the video quality isn't trash, but yeah, I really just kind of wanted to get this video out just so you guys can see what is in these like little cheap $40 lenses. Subscribe if that's what you want to do.